In this exercise, we will learn how to build a formula or recipe. We will start off by providing a formula name and ID. This is needed to save the formula once we're done. Next, we will add the ingredients that make up the formula. We will add recipe amounts for each ingredient. TechWizard uses this to calculate a weight percent for each ingredient. The exercise concludes by saving the formula. This example starts in the formula development and batching section. If you are not in that section, select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Now click Formula Dev from the View group. Clear any existing formula by clicking the Clear Formula button. Click the Yes button to verify you wish to remove all ingredients and properties. All ingredients and properties have been removed. Click the OK button. Let's enter a formula name and ID for this formula. Click the Formula Name and ID box. In the window that appears, enter the formula name Low-Fat Yogurt 1. Enter the formula ID of T0001. Click the OK button. The formula name and ID are now displayed in the formula name and ID box. Now it's time to add some ingredients. Click the Add Ingredients button. In the Add Ingredients window, select milk 3.7% fat and click the Add button. Each added ingredient will be added to the current formula list box. Select Milk Skim, Condensed 35% Total Solids and click the Add button. Select Milk Skim, No Vitamin A Added and click the Add button. Select Modified Starch and click the Add button. Select Stabilizer, Gelatin and click the Add button. Select Sweetener, Sugar, Liquid and click the Add button. You can also double-click an ingredient to add it to the formula without clicking the Add button. Double-click Culture, Yogurt. Now that all our ingredients have been added to the formula, click the Close button to close the Add Ingredients window. Now we will enter amounts and units for each ingredient. Select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Now click Enter Recipe from the Formula group. In the Enter Recipe window, select Milk 3.7% fat. Enter 275 in the amount box. Select Gallons in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. The updated values for the ingredient will be displayed in the list box. Select Milk Skim, Condensed 35% Total Solids. Enter 82 in the amount box. Select Gallons in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. Select Milk Skim, No Vitamin A Added. Enter 256 in the amount box. Select Gallons in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. Select Modified Starch. Enter 50 in the amount box. Select Pounds in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. Select Stabilizer, Gelatin. Enter 31 in the amount box. Select Pounds in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. Select Sweetener, Sugar, Liquid. Enter 739 in the amount box. Select Pounds in the Select Units drop-down and click the Update button. You may also use the Enter key on your keyboard instead of clicking the Update button. Select Culture, Yogurt Enter 56 in the amount box. Select grams in the Select Units drop-down and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now that all the ingredient amounts and units have been entered, click the OK button to close the recipe entry window. We now have a TechWizard formula. A TechWizard formula is composed of ingredients and the amounts of the ingredients on a weight percentage basis. Save the formula by selecting the File tab and click Save Formula. After the formula is saved, click the OK button. You may also use the Save Formula icon to save the formula. This completes our presentation.